friends at home. Juno's trying out for the Nutcracker, so I'm teaching her some of those moves. And this is outfit number 1. And tomorrow, she'll be wearing another outfit, and you guys at home can tell us which one you like better. Oh, okay, I'm gonna give her a treat because she danced so well.
There she goes. There she goes. Look at her. That's what I gotta put up with for a treat.
All right, so at home we are still working in our place value packet. And before we get started with this today, I wanted to go over a couple numbers. So let's count. We're gonna count really big today, but I want all you guys to be doing it with me. I want to hear you guys at home. I'm looking at Juno over there eating her treat. All right, we're gonna do this a couple times. We got 100, really loud voices, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. You guys ready for this? 1,000. You guys ready for this? 1,100. Ooh, I can hear some of you. We're gonna do it one more time. Now everybody get out of their seats. Now we're gonna jump and say the numbers. Because I'm jumping, I'm gonna get my little hand out here. All right, here we go. I wanna hear all you guys at home. And I'm gonna know if you guys are up jumping. Okay, here we go. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Ready? So here we don't say 1,000, but we say 1,000, and then 1,100. Ooh, I heard a few of you. Great job. All right, so we are gonna be working on our place value, and we are gonna be making some numbers and reading some numbers. So before we get started, I'm gonna put on my HTO chart. We're talking about place value, and our HTO charts really come in handy learning about place value. All right, so let's come up with a number. How about 256? Okay, so I'm gonna build this number with my pieces. So at home, you can use like Cheez-Its, pretzel sticks, and M&Ms or raisins to represent your pieces there. So I'm gonna build this. So I've got 100, 200, I'm gonna get 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have my 5 tens, and then I need 6 ones. So I've got 4 ones, 5, 6. Okay, so now in our packets, there's going to be some words, and we're going to be reading these numbers. So I'm going to write these down now. So my number's 256, and here it is with my pieces. I'm representing that number, and now I'm going to write, I've got 2 hundreds. I've got 5 tens, and then I have 6 ones. So 6 ones. So there's 3 different ways to see this number. And we're talking about our place value. We have 2 of these, and it's worth 200's the value. I have 5 tens, so 50's the value of my tens, and then my 6's the value is just 6, because 6 they're each worth just 1. Whoops, they jumped off the board again. I knew they would do that because they do it all the time. All right, so I'm going to build one more number here, and we're going to do the same kind of thing. So let me erase this. This time I'll just erase my numbers here. And jumping everywhere. So here's my new number. They're just jumping off there. 400, about 35. I'm gonna make sure I have enough ones because they keep jumping off the board. Okay, so we're gonna build it. I've got 100, 200, 300, 400, and then I have 3 10s. So I've got 10, 20, 30. So I've got my 3 10s, and then I have 5 1s. And we'll just move these guys right along right there. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have my 5 1s. 435. So this is with my pieces, and then I'm gonna fill in the numbers here. So I have 4 hundreds. I have 3 10s, and then I have 5 1s. So practice this a couple times with a couple different numbers. It's a little different in your packets, but come up with some numbers and some pieces and practices. Write them down. Maybe have someone at home give you a number and then you build it and then you tell them about it. Okay, so one other thing before I get my packet. There's a pattern to numbers when we talk about numbers. When we see our numbers like in standard form, how we're used to. So let me come up with another number here. How about 581. So when I say this number out loud, I don't say 581 or 581. So that I say 500. We always say this number right here. 581. So right here, my 100. 581. So let me do one more number. I'm looking over here. I haven't used. Let's do 9. So I got 9. 7. All right. So when I say this number out loud, I don't say 927 or 927 or 927 ones. I say 927. So I'm always saying this number right there. 900. Oops, that's kind of silly looking H. 927. All right, so in our packets, we are still in that place value packet. Oop, Juno's super tired now from all that dancing and trying out for the Nutcracker. She's laying down sleeping. Okay, so at home we're gonna be starting. We have this cute little guy right there. This is the page you're gonna start on. Sorry, at home we don't have numbers on it, but this one, what we're gonna do is you're gonna count these pieces, and then you're gonna find it down here and cut them out and paste them. Cut them out and get some glue and paste them. But you're gonna find this number and then you're gonna paste the matching one. So right here I've got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and 10, 20, 30, 1. So 531. If I come right on down here, ooh, I see the number right there. This would be the one I would cut out and paste, but I am going to write it because I don't have my scissors and glue in front of me. But at home, go ahead and cut those out and paste them. And then, so we'll have a couple pages of this, but I'll do another one here. I'll just jump right down over to this one. So I've got 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2. So I've got 232. So I'll come down here. Ooh, they're almost trying to trick me. They got a couple different numbers here with 200, but here we are, 232. So this would be the one that I would cut and paste there. So do all these pages. You get a lot of practice with this cutting and pasting. And then here we are over here. We're going to be writing the missing number. We're going to be filling in the blanks here. So let's read this one together. We have 100s, 7 10s, and 3 ones. So we've got 100. We've got 7 tens. So we've got 7 tens and then 3 ones. Or our number is 173. So at home, if you want, practice building these pieces too with your pieces at home and write them on your HTO chart too. Lots of practice. So right here we have 200 blank tens and 4 ones. So if we come on over here, we have that number there in that standard form. So now we're going to find out we've got a 200, so we see that. And then our tens are missing, so we've got 6 tens. So we want to fill that in right there. So our number's 264. And I'll just do one more just for more practice here, but we've got blank hundreds, 5 tens, and 8 ones.
I would write out the word. I would write out the word.
Oh, we're going to write
Well,
out
let's
the
go.
word.
For 6, I want the 6 written out.
Oh, 6 tens.
Do your best you can with spelling. This is a good time to work on our spelling.
And we have 7 hundreds, 5 tens, and 8 ones. And then just one more so you guys can see me write it out and not try to do what I was just doing up here. So we have 900s, blank tens, and 3 ones. So come on over here, and our number's 943. So we are going to write 4 tens and 3 ones. So practice on here. We've got another page.
You're taking a picture of this one right here.
The last page of this. So have fun with this, and we'll see you next time.